We out here firefighting today. You know what I'm saying? Finna go see what's to this fire. You the reporter today since you spotted this shit.
Yeah,
I'm just the cameraman.
We're gonna go spot this fire.
See what's going on. B gonna blow it out.
Where could it be? Smith's?
I think it's at Smith's. That look like Smith's parking lot to me.
That's Smith's parking lot.
What in the Smith's just blew the fuck up, y'all.
It gotta be.
Terrorists have attacked Smith's. Hell yeah. It looking like, nah, it's past Smith's. It look like that motherfucker out now. I don't know. And they're trying to get their ass hit on camera. That look like that might be somebody's crib. Damn, and that bitch kind of far. We're gonna go a little further. It look like it's probably like one more light down. So look, gang, we finna find out exactly where it's at. Cause I'm sure this nigga right here knows. So we just gonna let him go first. We gonna stop right here, let buddy make his turn. Where he going? Where he going? The fire this way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Tell him to come back. What the fuck? The fuck is he? Alright, never mind, gang. We gotta find the fire bar ourselves. Because folks last lost. Alright. We still in hot pursuit. We getting a little closer. And we ain't got no gas, gang. The gas we finna run out of gas. Trying to find the fire, trying to fight the fire and shit. Let me see what's going on over her. It look like that joint still burning, I ain't gonna lie. Is it on the freeway, B? You think it's on the freeway? This is Windmill. Oh, they ain't letting nobody go down the street right here. Yeah. Alright, it's right here. Back your head up for me. We're gonna have a couple seconds to see what's going on. We got 12 out here. Golly gosh. Alright, let's see if we can get a better view somehow, y'all. Finesse. Uh-oh. So we down here. Getting closer to the fire, y'all. It's still going. That fire burning strong, y'all. That fire burning strong, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, and they let people make a right. I don't know what they doing. I think they here posted watching the fire. People in Vegas be bored, y'all. I don't do too much going on, so this they entertainment, I guess. Alright, this is exciting. My whole crib on fire again. Yeah, this smell like crib too. I'm finna park real quick. Live, go ahead, news reporter B. What's going on here? What's going on here, B? Oh, the camper on fire. It's a fucking camper fire, y'all. Good little spot right here in Sinead. Got the whole street blocked off. You know what I'm saying? So basically, it's good that everybody pay their taxes and stuff, because without paying your taxes, we won't have the great fire department to come put out the fires and stuff. So thank God for that, taxes and all that. Yeah, that shit serious. I hope ain't nobody in there. I hope nobody was hurt. They trying to put that thing out though. But you can see the fire in the window. County, get that fire, fight that fire. Got Metro out here doing their job, you know what I'm saying? Thank God for Metro. Thank God for the Clout County Fire Department, you feel me? They out here 5 deep with the trucks. No, they out here 6 deep with the trucks. We got 6 fire trucks out here. Then we got 2 little fire trucks, and then we got 2, 3, 4 police cars out here. You know what I'm saying? So the area is secured. Oh, it's 5 police cars out here. It's looking like they getting it under control though. You know what I'm saying? They getting it under control. Thank God. Thank God the house ain't get burnt down too in the process. Thank God they camper and stuff ain't catch fire. Clark County was on it. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever thought about being a firefighter, this is what you gonna have to do, gang. You know what I'm saying? Just come with the territory. Cause it's already like 100,000 degrees outside just with the sun. And then you got fires. So, and then you gotta wear these hot ass suits and fight fires in 100,000 degree weather. So that's what I'm saying, gang. This ain't no easy job. So just make sure y'all pay y'all taxes on time so they can keep doing what they do. And then donate and all that. Cause you know what I'm saying? Y'all need to send them some donuts and everything. Cause they be working hard.
Still burning, yeah.
There's something else. Yep, something else back there burning his ass off too. I'm finna. For one, so many police out here, I would burn this blunt. But the police out here, so we gonna chill out. Damn, there's some more shit over there on fire and shit. Damn. As soon as we thought it was under control, something else started going crazy. Alright, some of the smoke then cleared. They got the smoke going a different way right now. The wind and changed directions. They still trying to get it under control. But as you can see, something is still burning over there, okay? They done broke through the fence. So they got some firefighters actually in the backyard at this point, as you can see. Actually in the backyard spraying stuff up, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be the only way they're gonna get this fire under control, gang. They're gonna have to get up in that backyard. This is crazy, bruh. It's finna get real. Look, they setting up the tent. They like, we finna be out here for a minute fighting this fire. But they got the chairs, they got their cooler with the drinks. It's finna be a long fight. It's finna be a long fight. They gotta save this whole area right here. Look, even that little tree on fire, gang. They ain't even put that out yet. That's gonna be a whole nother fire pretty soon. They better put that tree out. But yeah, man, they getting busy. I ain't gonna lie. They doing their thing. Clark County is on the job. That's a tongue twister, low key. Clark County, Clark County, Clark County, Clark County. See how fast you can say Clark County? How fast and how many times can you say Clark County without messing up? Damn, that smoke dark. Oh my God. Something else can caught on fire. Now what? Damn, now what is it? Hey, Press. How you doing?
How you doing today, buddy?
Any channel particular? Oh, nice. All right, look like Clark County got it under control. Look like the major parts of the fire are out. You know what I'm saying? At first, it was the whole camper. Then it was that shed over there. Then it was some over here on the ground. And it looked like they held it down. I see movement in the backyard. Look like the area is secured. That has been secured. It's gonna be a hell of a cleanup job, though.
Hey, Las Vegas, this is Queen Bay. I'm giving you today our ratchet report of the day. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Queen Bay Official. Let's get started and see what's going on. So from the looks of it, we see that we're on Wigwam Street, and from the story that I heard is that this guy that was living in this house just bought a camper, and he bought it for his mom. He was sitting down watching eating popcorn, whatever he was doing, in that big ass chair, and he saw a fire. He didn't know it was real. He thought it was something that was fake. Next thing you know, the neighbors called out. Next thing you know, everybody's here. So the moral of this story, ladies and gentlemen, don't be playing with fire, because if you do, I'm going to call Smokey the Bear on your ass. I don't got time to be out here. It's hot as hell. So I'm ready to go. Do anybody have any questions?
Hey, was there any survivors?
See, I don't got time for this. No, it was not. You up there asking all these